Assalamu alaikum students of class 7. How are you dear students? Students, welcome to the first lecture of SST related to your holidays homework. Students, as you know that these lectures have been designed with a basic concept to provide you some guidelines so that you can independently do your homework and you don't have any problem and trouble in solving the holidays pack. So let us start. We are going to do the look at the first two pages of your homework today. So the first page, that is the page number 2, is related to the question that in which South Asian countries are the following located. These are some landforms, some rivers, some lakes, and some wadis in the list. It is about a list of 17 locations from the South Asian countries, and you have to Google these locations, that where are they located. So as you know that the basic South Asian countries, there are 8 South Asian countries. The first one is Pakistan, then India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Nepal, Bhutan, Afghanistan, and Maldives. So you have to search out that where, in which South Asian country are these places located. The first one, let us look at the first one, that is the Hindu Kush Mountains. So when you will search it when you will write the Hindu Kush Mountain location on the Google taskbar, you will see that it is located on the border, near the borders of Afghanistan and Pakistan. So you can write the names of both the countries. Okay. Then like the Thal Desert, number 10, that is located in Pakistan. Then the number 13, Orissa, it is in India. Then number 14, Chennai, it is in India. Then the last one, 17, it is Lake Saif al Muluk, it is in Pakistan. So likewise, you have to solve the whole sheet with the help of Google. Okay, ji. Now come to the second sheet. This is encircle and write the correct answer. The reference has been given incorrect. The reference is from chapter number 14. You can find out the answers of these. So let me guide you about these encircling and writing the correct answers from these of these blanks. The first one is, till 1972, Sri Lanka was known by its European name. So you have been given 3 options: Ceylon, Ceylon, and Ceylon. So Sri Lanka was known as Ceylon, Ceylon. So you have to circle it and then write the answer in the blank. The name of the India's major city, Bombay, was changed in 1995 as we all know that till 1995 the capital and the most important city was Bombay in India. Then it was changed from Bombay to Mumbai. Okay. Now we know the important city of India as Mumbai. By the year 1911, there were about dash independent states in British India. जब इंडिया पर ब्रिटिश का सब कॉन्टिनेंट पर ब्रिटिश का जब रूल था, तो उस वक्त तक 1911 तक 560 स्टेट्स जो थी ना, इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेट्स, वो इमर्ज हो गई थी. Okay, ji, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Dash were knighted by British government and given the title Sir. आपको पता है Sir Syed Ahmad Khan और Sir Allama Iqbal. Okay, they were both knighted the title of Sir by the British government. Anglo-Oriental College जो हमारे Sir Syed Ahmad Khan ने बनाया था, it was set up by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan at Anglo-Oriental College हमारा अलीगढ़ में था. Okay. Qaid-e-Azam was in favor of a single nation, as we've read it in the chapter number 14, that Qaid-e-Azam till 1940 was in favor of a joint India, single nation. फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने separate homeland for Muslims के लिए demand की थी. Series of essays, reconstruction of religious thoughts in Islam, was written by, when you will Google it, you will find out that it was written by Allama Iqbal. Then come to the 8th number. Dash is a name given to a set of ideas and beliefs of a group of people. So the 3 options are sociology, ideology, and chronology. Ideology basically जो नजरिया होता है ना, is a name given to a set of ideas. Sociology तो एक subject है, एक social studies type का subject है, social society से related जो subjects होते हैं उनमें. और chronology is basically a sequence of events जो होते हैं ना, एक सीक्वेंस है कि 1991 में ये हुआ, 92 में ये हुआ, 93 में ये हुआ. तो सीक्वेंस ऑफ इवेंट्स जो होते हैं ना, उनको क्रोनोलॉजी बोलते हैं. Dash is a commemorative tower built at the site where the Lahore Resolution was passed. So we all know that Minar-e-Pakistan, okay, that was built on the site where the Lahore Resolution was passed in 1940. Allama Iqbal died in 1938, and that was dash years before the death of Qaid-e-Azam. And Qaid-e-Azam died in 1948 after 1 year of the creation of Pakistan. We all know, so it was about 10 years before the death of Qaid-e-Azam. So that is all for you for today. You have to complete these 2 pages. Okay. Best of luck. Allah Hafiz.